So, good evening, dear friends. I'm Dr. Vijay Kumadalla, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Jamshedpur, and really we are happy and feeling proud to have Mr. Rajeev Shuklaa with us. He's an alumni of this institute. He graduated in Computer Science Engineering from our institute in the batch 1997 and 2001 pass out. Yeah. And really we are lucky, we are feeling honored. Sir uh, texted me through the WhatsApp, and he wanted to he wanted to meet me regarding the development of robotics in the institute. Obviously, it is the alma mater of Sir's institute. So he's willing to contribute in the field of robotics, and he has some vision regarding robotics development, regarding the development of our institute. So I'm handing over, sir. Please give us some directions, some tips, some suggestions to our students so that we can do something in the field of robotics. Sir.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you for the introduction. So, as you mentioned, I am from this.
Yes.
Thank you for the introduction. And my name is Rajeev Shuklaa, as you mentioned, and I'm from this institute itself. I am from the batch of 97, and my experience has been in IT for almost a decade. And after that, I went into entrepreneurship, and I have my own unit, which is into manufacturing of tippers, tip trailers, and trailers. I'm also from the home chapter, alumni home chapter, and the main purpose of coming and meeting Mr. Dalla was that we came to know that robotics is playing a very important role in the way institute is functioning now, and there were a lot of development that was happening around robotics. So we had a chat, and my main purpose of coming here is to create this ecosystem of robotics in NIT Jamshedpur. We have a bunch of very bright students here in Jamshedpur. The only thing that might be missing is, the exposure that these people need. So, as an alumni of the institute, what I'm trying to look at is how we can create this ecosystem and how we can support in creating the labs or facilitating the students in gaining the knowledge so that they can become the domain experts in the field of robotics. Now, I am also a member of CII, and I happen to attend a lot of these futuristic meetings or the conclaves for the manufacturing sector. And there, the theme comes out very clearly that AI, machine learning, robotics are going to be there in the industry. And as we know that manufacturing industry in the coming days is going to really play a pivotal role in the growth of our country. Our Prime Minister has this vision of taking our economy to the top. We are already at fourth, and very soon we are going to cross the mark of fourth and maybe come to third. Now this robotics is going to play a very important role. So I'm very happy to know also that there is a robotic club recently formed, and students are taking very, I would say, very interestingly they are participating in these club activities. So my idea here is to support the robotics club, the robotics lab there here in NIT Jamshedpur. And since I am also from the industry, what we are trying to do is build a relationship, build an ecosystem wherein the academics and the industry can come together. The industry might pose a problem statement which the students can take up as a project, and they can probably sponsor it. And that way we can have many people who would be doing research in the area of robotics. Now I am very happy to know also that we have PhD students who are doing a lot of research in space technology, underwater technology, prosthetics. So these are the futuristic things that will happen.
And let me ask some questions, sir. What are the expectations from our students you have in your mind?
So my first expectation from the students is that if they have any project in mind, they should come up to you, and you can just evaluate as to what are the resources that are available with the institute, And we can also, those projects, if that needs some kind of an assistance, we can evaluate in our team. And then if required, if that's a promising project that you feel it can have a greater impact in the way the things are happening in the manufacturing or in any other sector, and that could bring some laurels or branding to our institute, I would definitely want that to be supported by the alumni as well as the institute as well as the industry. So that bridging we can do from the alumni group that we have, and since the home chapter is now active, that would really be very helpful for the students to gain the knowledge, do the project, and for the institute that they get the laurels of so many students doing the research work. And I would want NIT Jamshedpur to become the epicenter of this knowledge factory, you can say, wherein we would be producing more and more products that could be in the reach of the industry. And since Make in India concept is so much being appreciated in and around the country, I would want some of the students, they could take it up as an entrepreneur activity as well if they want, and we would like to support them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
I hope that this ecosystem of robotics which you have created and the students who are engaged will definitely work hand in hand, and we will like to get results which would be really beneficial for all the stakeholders. Thank you.